Actually, the thing that I'm going to discuss today in this class is very important for all. And I would try to speak slowly so you may get all those things that I want to share in this video and in this class. Okay. So, you know what? That everyone has our own dreams, our own goals, our own purpose of life, and all those things. We all want to achieve something in our life, and we are trying our best. All right, but sometimes it happens that just we don't want to do like few things that comes in our mind which is connected to our purpose, and we want to do that, but sometimes we don't do that, and the reason is that just we don't want to make any kind of mistake in that. We think about mistakes. If I would do that thing, I would make different mistakes. So if I would make mistakes, people will notice me. So we stop doing that thing, or we don't do that thing. I'm talking about all those things in our life, whatever we are doing, whether we are working on our personal growth, whether we are working on our English also. That's an also important point. That we are working on English language also. We know, you take ourselves that whenever you are learning English and you try to speak English, you think that you have to speak English, but you don't open your mouth before others because you think that if I will speak anything, I may make mistakes there, or I would make mistakes. That's why I should not speak it. Let it be. Let's talk in Hindi, or let's talk in our mother tongue, whatever it is. So what we do, we are not making more mistakes. So this lecture is all about making more mistakes. So in this class, I want to say you that make more mistakes as much as you can. So you know what, it happens like take the example of anything, that if you are any kind of a sport player, you want to become good at that particular game, you make more mistakes on that. Just you do that, you do that again and again, and don't worry about what people will say, because you are not making more mistakes. So why I'm telling you making more mistakes, it means I want to tell you that do more new things. When you will do new things, new situations, new opportunities and new problems will come to you. So what would happen there? You will try to overcome that thing. You will try to learn something from that, and you will try to make it better when you will make any kind of mistake. But we are afraid of making mistake. We are afraid of making mistakes, and we don't want to take stand for that. This is the point. So we are talking about English language also. If we talk about our personal growth also, if we talk about communicating on the stage, if we talk about meeting new people, it is also kind of when we are meeting new people, you see that situation also. When you meet new people, sometimes you you don't approach that thing, you don't try to speak, you don't try to talk, you avoid that conversation. You know why? Because when we try to speak, we think that whenever I will speak something or the other before them, they might get me wrong, or I don't know, they would talk to me or not, and all those things. That's why we don't talk. So what we are doing, we are not making more mistakes in everything, and everything that we are doing, try to make more mistakes. It means try to do something new that you are not doing. So take example of your what we can say, your presentations. For example, you are coming in the class, so you think you don't see anything, you don't think about anything, you think about making mistakes. That what mistake I have to make today? I have to make more mistakes in my presentation. When I will go for presentation, I will try to make more mistakes. So this is the thing, and I always say that make more mistakes, make mistakes, do mistakes or commit mistakes, but every day there should be a new mistake, and that is the fund of learning. New mistakes should be there. So when we will make more mistakes, there will be new mistakes, and we will make new mistakes, and mistakes teaches us, and we become better. So how we are becoming better? By doing mistakes. So every time it happens that sometimes there is no particular manual, or there is no particular guide who is with us. We have to make more mistakes. We have to learn by ourselves. So we don't learn by ourselves. We wait for others to teach us. We wait for this. We wait for our teachers to teach us. We wait for our parents to teach us. We wait for somebody who teaches us. So sometimes we will not get them in our life. We have to make mistakes in it. We have thought that I have to do it. I have to learn that how to if you have decided that I have to learn how to speak to a group, We don't know about that thing, so we have to learn about that. It is all about making more mistakes. So are you making more mistakes or not? This is also the question.